This is Randy. I want to tell you about FundMax, an app that's not pretty, just works. Come on.
We're going to go to EIS, data reports, research queries. We're going to go to the student membership report. It's going to take a while to run. Eventually it does. We're going to download it as a CSV. The reason I'm doing it this way is because I want to keep your stuff secure. The next step is already set up. We're going to Skyward. We have a director's monthly membership report run. We're going to convert it to Excel. We're going to display the report and it downloads. Last, we're going to start FundMax. No secrets here. We're going to compare the state and the local data. Now, when you run it, you may get a warning if your download file is older than 36 hours, just to keep you from getting a false sense of security. You can say yes, or you can stop and go back and download a fresh set of data. FundMax runs. It takes the two sets of data we have, the local data from Skyward, from your SIS, and the state data. And again, no secrets. All we're doing is saying, are our students scheduled correctly on the SIS side? And then, does the state have the same data we have locally? It'll make you a list. Possible local funding problems and possible state funding problems.
TennSRS and FundMax. Not pretty, just works. We want to help people. Try it out for free. If it doesn't work for you, you'll never pay a cent. God bless.